To make a blog in 2020, full tutorial for beginners. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to how to make a blog. So first things first, you need to go on Bluehost. So we are going to create a WordPress website, so for that we need hosting and domain. There would be other people who would be saying blogger.com is free, so I would suggest blogger.com is free, but then so let's say I have this one website over here. So basically they own the domain, they own everything. So if you could see on the top over here, it says my name, but then at the end it says blogspot.com. so basically the drawback for that is you cannot make money out of it, you cannot activate Google AdSense, and you never know, they could delete your website as well. So I would always suggest that you need to create your own website with your own domain. So first things first we are going to buy an hosting and domain, and Bluehost is one of the best web hosting. They give you a free domain, free SSL, and it's very easy to install WordPress. So all you have to do is just click on get started, and then I would select the recommended, and just for you guys I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. Select this, pay up the money, and then come back to Bluehost. So once you fill up your credit card details and all the details, they would send you an username and password. Once you get the username and password, all you have to do is click on login, and then just log in. Once you are over here, this is the Bluehost dashboard, and creating a WordPress website is really easy. Just click on my sites, create a site, put in your site name. So let's say your site name is new blog. Put on your blog tagline, click next, select your domain name. So I would select this one, I would say new blog, and next, and within 3 seconds you would be able to install WordPress 1, 2 and 3. So as you could say, within almost around 3 seconds you're able to install your own WordPress website. Then all you have to do is click on to log into WordPress. Once you're over here, this is your new website. So congratulations. Now I would tell you how to create a new post. All you have to do is you can click on new and click on post, or the same way, this is your dashboard, you can click on post and add new. So they both go to the same page, as you could see over here and here. I would say demo 1 and my first blog post. And adding pictures is really easy. Just click over here, you could see you could add pictures, you can upload, you can add from media library. So I can just upload some picture, so I can just click this, make this small. Okay, you can upload a picture, just publish, and then visit site. So you could see your first blog is here, and then there are few settings which you need to make. Settings, go on general, you need to put your new blog name, your tagline, make sure everything is correct. The next thing is click on permalinks, make sure you select this, save changes, and then refresh. So that settings is for SEO. Now we are going to change our themes. So basically theme is how your website look. So currently our website looks like this, very simple. So we are going to make it much more beautiful. So there are a lot of free themes, so I would say add new theme. So you could see a lot of themes over here which are free, latest. So I would select popular and decide which one you like. So it's loading right now. So now it's loaded. So you could see there are a lot of themes. Let's for now install Astra. Click install. Once it's installed, just click on activate, and then your theme is activated. If I go back to my blog, refresh, so it looks very different right now. So you could just design your website. I don't want to go in much detail because I have a free bonus for you. So guys, if you have watched till now and if you want to learn about how to install the best themes, the best SEO settings, and how to write a blog, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch for beginners. And I also show you techniques to get traffic to your website. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And thanks for watching. And if you find this really valuable, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and thank you.